Hello everyone. This is the practical session where we are going to look into local time class in Java. So in Java 1.8, Oracle developers has created the package date and time API, right? Advanced date and time API. In that there is one class they introduced. They call it as local time. So it is nothing but a final class in Java. It is to get only the time without date. So if I click on this local time, right? So you guys can see, if you guys see here, like it's a final class in Java. Basically, it implements some of the um, interfaces. Let's say temporal adjuster, comparable, serializable, right? But if you guys see here, local time, it is similar to local date. The only difference is local date API is going to return only the dates without time, and this opposite to that, local time is going to return only the time but not the dates. Right? Let me go and run this program so that you guys can see what are the outputs of these methods, how they have defined. Let's say if I want to get only the time, the local time, but I don't want the dates, then I can go for local time now is equal to local time dot now of. Then I'm just printing it, so it is giving only the time, not the dates. And let's say if I want to give some text value, some time, right, 6:30, 5:30, like that, right? Then I can give that value and I can use parse it. So whenever I say parse of text value, that text value will be parsed as a local time object. And then you can see here, this is an actual object. If you guys see here, right, 6:30 dot, all these methods are part of local time. So it means like this um, local time object has been created with the help of parse, right? And then you can also create that with the help of off method without a date, only just time, right? That is also same. And if you want to add some part of time to the existing time, let's say local time dot parse of 6:30, and then you want to add some data, right? Add some hours or add some days. Then what you can do is always use go for plus, and then whatever how many hours you want to add, you can say 3 or whatever the time, and then hours. If you want to add days, then if you want to add more number of minutes or anything, then you can go for minutes or something like that, right? And then if you want to compare the date time, right, time between 6:30 and 7:30, if you want to check whether this is before or after, then you can easily go for that. If I say is before, right, so then similarly you have is after, is supported, all those stuff. So you guys can use it whenever you have a requirement to compare some data between whatever you're receiving and then do a manipulation. Then you can definitely go for is before, is after, like that. And also if you want to check, right, what is the maximum hours time you have, right? And what is the midnight you have, right? So 0000, right? And what is the minimum local time, right? So 0000, and what is the noon time, right? 1200. So all this, if you want to print it for, or if you want to have it for any kind of checking, you can use it. And if you guys see here, like I am trying to print like maximum time in a day, which is like 23 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds, and this many number of lines of milliseconds or nanoseconds, right? So this is how actually the local time works. Basically, local time is mainly used whenever you want to compare the time between some data, right? Whenever you receive some data in your program, and if you want to deal with the time zones or times, right, then definitely you can go for local time. So I would strongly recommend you guys to write the same program in your Eclipse and see how you can see the differences between these methods. And if you guys have any questions, please post your comments. I will be more than happy to assist you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.